Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel once again. If you are watching my video continuously, then you must be knowing a very major resistance in gold prices 1834 and 35. Yesterday, finally, gold broke 1835 and almost tested 1870 before calming down to test around 1840. Yesterday, inflation numbers came, and according to the data, US is facing highest inflation since 1990. Interestingly, Fed is still considering these inflation number transitory. As suggested yesterday, inflation number will be very crucial for the gold prices, and finally gold broke out, and now we are trading above 1840 comfortably. So it is clear that gold have entered in positive zone due to higher inflation. And one more thing, if you have watched my weekly analysis where I have explained why gold did not react to non-farm payroll numbers, instead gold fired, then you must be knowing that we were very clear that inflation and interest rate are major influencer for gold prices, at least for now. Yesterday we witnessed that gold prices finally influenced by higher inflation, and we have witnessed a very good rise in gold prices. Currently, gold prices are trading at 1848 after making high around 1870 almost. So, what is the resistance and what is the support today? Let's find out. So, yesterday's support will act, yesterday's resistance of 1835 will act as support now. If gold prices break 1835 and sustain below that level, then expect gold to test up to 1825 and $1,810. Resistance at $1,861. If gold sustain above that level, then expect gold prices to test up to 1870 and even 1880 is also possible. Currently, gold prices are trading in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to silver. This is silver. Silver tested $25.10 yesterday. Currently, it is trading around $24.70. This candle should not be there. It seems charts are not filled properly, so ignore that candles. It seems just opening candles, so avoid those candles. So what is the resistance and what is the support in silver prices today? We all know the trend that silver is also in positive zone. Let's quickly find out. 2445 will act as support in silver prices. If market break 2445 and sustain below that level, then expect crude oil prices to fall up to 2420 and $24. Resistance, however, stands at $24.10. If market break $25.10 and manage to sustain above that level, then expect 25.30 and 25.50. Currently, gold and silver both are in positive zone, so trade accordingly. MCX levels have given at the end of the video. Let's move on to crude oil. This is WTI crude oil. Currently, it is trading $81.45. Obviously, it crashed almost 2% yesterday, more than 2% in fact, and currently trading in weak zone. So let's find out the resistance and support. 82.80 will act as resistance in crude oil prices. If market break 82.80 and sustain above that level, then only crude oil will enter in positive zone. Above 82.80, expect $84 and $85. 80.40 will act as support in crude oil price now. If market break 80-40 and sustain below that level, then expect $79 and even $78 is also possible. Currently, as you can see, crude oil is in weak zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to euro. Now things get interesting because as you can see dollar, first let me show you the dollar index. Dollar index is trading at the highest point of 2021. Despite higher dollar index, gold is trading at the highest point of 2021. So I'm not sure if gold is at highest point of 2021, but the dollar index certainly is. So as we have already seen, dollar index is in weak zone. Currently euro is in, sorry, dollar index is in positive zone and euro is in weak zone. So let's have a look at resistance and support now. 1520 will act as resistance in euro now. If euro managed to break and sustain above 1520, then only we will see some fresh buying in euro up to 1550 and 1570. Support at 1450. If euro break 1450, then expect 1400 and 1350 in euro. Currently, as you can see, euro is in weak zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to pound, which is also trading in weak zone. Almost trading at 3400 after making lows around 3393. It is also trading in weak zone, so let's have a look at resistance and support. 3451 will act as resistance in pound. If market break and sustain above 3451, then only we will see some fresh buying up to 3500. 3361 will act as support. Below 3361 expect 3330 and even 3300 is also possible. Currently pound is in weak zone, so trade accordingly. Now before moving to MCX level, let's find out Bitcoin levels first. These are the levels from yesterday. Obviously these have actually not changed, just support need to be changed, so I'll just tweak the support just have to be changed, otherwise all levels are same. You can use these levels in today's trading as well. Let's move on to MCX part now. This is MCX gold chart, currently trading 48,930. MCX gold support stands at 4800 and 750 rupees, 48,750 आज का सपोर्ट है. Resistance however stands at 49,220 rupees, 49,220 रुपए आज का resistance है. I will refresh these levels at 5 p.m. You can check 5 p.m. levels in community post by clicking the join button. Let's move on to silver. Silver prices are trading 65,930 rupees. Today's silver support stands at 65,200, 65,200 आज का support है. Resistance however at 66,700, 66,700 आज का MCX का support है. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to click the like button. If you have any thought in mind, please leave a comment before closing this video. For paid signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. Number is given in description. I will also stream before US market open on my streaming channel link in description. Now I will see you in evening. Till then, take care. Bye bye.